Hi everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Skill Sculpt. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to create an action item in the My Item widget within the Employee Center portal. Let me start by sharing a real world scenario we recently implemented. The use case is any employee in the organization should be able to validate their assigned assets. If they find an issue, they should be able to report it. If they need any updates, they should be able to raise the request. And if they want to return a device, that option should be available too. The bonus functionality: the device information should automatically populate in the respective request form, reducing manual effort and ensuring accuracy. Let's dive in and see how it all comes together. For a first step, I started by creating a My Asset activity item to link this to the correct page. We first need to provide the activity portal page. So I went ahead and created a dedicated portal page for this purpose. Next, I navigated to the designer page where I added a simple list widget. This list is configured to display assigned assets to the currently logged in user. To do that, I selected the appropriate table name, which in our case is likely the asset ALM asset table, and set the filter condition. The assigned to is dynamic me. Now you will see three buttons displayed for each asset. For one is report an issue. For this, I have already created record producer that lets user quickly raise an issue related to the selected device. The second is return device and third is update device. Both these are tied to dedicated catalog items that I have configured. Our page is ready now. So let's move on the next step, filling out the activity configuration. Once we provide activity portal page, we need to create the activity configuration details in the related list. This step is very important. Without it, the My Asset count won't appear correctly in the My Items widget. Now it's time to fix the buttons functionality. I have created custom buttons and I will show you how they are set up in the widget editor. When a user clicks report an issue with device, it invokes another widget called report device model widget. This widget dynamically generates a UI model that lists all the assets assigned to the logged in user. Once the user selects a specific device, the SysID of the device is passed to the onload client script of the respective request form. The catalog client script takes the SysID and passes it to the asset detail processor. The script include I have created. This processor fetches device details and auto-populates them to the respective request form, whether it's for reporting, updating, or returning the device. Yes, it's a lot of behind the scene work, but totally worth it for a smooth and user friendly experience. All right, let's jump into the demo. Here's on the My Asset item, you can see I have 4 devices assigned. When I click on it, it lists all my assets. Now I'm going to click the Report an Issue with Device button. A pop-up model appears listing all my assigned devices. I will select one device and click Report Device. And boom, the device details auto-populate right into request form. Now I will just fill short description and hit Submit. The request has been submitted. Let's open the created incident. And there is the device details are nicely populated in the description field, exactly as intended. And that's wrap up our walkthrough of the My Asset action item in the Employee Center portal. From listing assigned device to reporting issue and auto-populating device details in request. This kind of configuration not only enhances the user experience but also streamlines IT and asset management process behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching ServiceNow Skill Sculpt. Thank you. Bye.